Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change vibration intensity on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to leave the settings. Then, on the left part of your phone, scroll down until you'll find this tab, Sounds and Vibrations. Click on it, and on the right part of your phone, scroll down until you'll find this tab, Vibration Intensity. Here, you would be able to find 4 categories of which you would be able to manage the intensity. For example, to change it, we would need to move this dot around the slider. And you would be also able to feel the vibration, how intensive it will be by moving the dot. After you are done, to save the changes, it's enough to just simply click on this arrow. And also we can see this setting right here, which suggests us vibration sound for incoming calls. If you think this one can be useful for you, you can enable it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.